I'm Jaya Palashri, and today I would like to talk about Yoga Nidra. I'm from Samskara Healing, and I would love to share my own experience about Yoga Nidra before I get onto a journey talking about it. My journey began at the very beginning of my decision to get onto the path of spirituality. So as I got onto the path of spirituality and I started progressing towards it, one of the very first things that was told by my teacher to me is that I need to work on myself. And one of the tools which was given to me was Yoga Nidra. I was asked to do Yoga Nidra without fail, diligently for 48 days. I had no clue what Yoga Nidra was and what were the benefits. I'd only heard about it. So I googled, I found a beautiful Yoga Nidra video and I started following it, and I started working on myself to see how I could help myself, in what way could I benefit. Later, seeing the kind of benefits it carried and how it could help me, I also started introducing it to my clients, and I do conduct classes of Yoga Nidra. Yoga Nidra is one of my most favorite too, and whenever I'm stressed out, I'm anxious, or when I'm really exhausted, without fail, I do Yoga Nidra for myself. I also pamper my students by giving them Yoga Nidra, especially if they've had too much of high intensity meditation where they feel that they need to ground themselves or they need something to just relax and rejuvenate. So Yoga Nidra is a beautiful tool to have. Yoga Nidra is something like a yogic sleep. I'm sure all of you would have read about it, heard about it. So I don't want to get into too much of details about it. Yoga Nidra helps you relax, rejuvenate. It helps you to, at times, especially when you're having excess stress, anxiety, it helps you to work on these things. But just doing one Yoga Nidra is not going to help you. You need to do it daily, regularly, and practice it to benefit from it. It carries more or less the same benefits, just like how a meditation carries. Especially with Yoga Nidra, if you put in an affirmation, if you bring in one positive thought and hold on to that, and mindfully when we are scanning our body and being conscious of our breath, which is a breath awareness exercise, working on the breath awareness, and as we scan the body and relax each part of the body, we come into such a relaxed and like a restful sleep state, which is as good as you're neither asleep, you're neither awake, you're in that in-between state, which really helps you relax. So in case if you have a hectic meeting, in case if you have a stressful day, in case you are anxious about something, it is good to take out 10 minutes. All you need is 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, you could do a Yoga Nidra even for 30 minutes and so on, but you do need guidance and you need the required things. But just for 10 minutes, you could put on one of those quick YouTube videos. You could also check on Samskara channel. There is Yoga Nidra YouTube video there. You could put on anything that resonates with you and you could work on it. And it really helps you. And it helps you calm yourself down and rejuvenate. This is something which many people request and ask me, especially if I have been caught up in my own space and I haven't recommended it to my students. Then I have one of my students saying, can we have a session of Yoga Nidra please? And I'm more than happy to give it, because it's as good as having a good sleep, and especially those struggling with insomnia, things like that, it really helps. But one thing, rest assured, this is not a supplement to medication, this is not a supplement to something, but this is an assistance. So do not say that, oh okay, I have seen this and I can do this. This just helps you. It's just like meditation. When you are stressed, when you're anxious, when you're fearful, when you need to unwind, do try Yoga Nidra and do let me know how you feel. I would love to know. And I look forward to hearing from you all. And if there are any other questions that you would want me to answer, I'm more than happy to answer the same. Until then, I thank you all and I wish you a good day. Stay safe, stay happy. Lots of blessing light to each and every one of you and our family members. Thank you so much.